Hey, what's up everybody? It's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and today we're checking out the Edge LTE Moc H2O Composite toe from Ariat. This classic vintage-inspired moc toe boot features that premium waterproof leather, and that waterproof pro construction is going to create an impermeable barrier for total protection. Got 100% non-metallic construction, so you don't have to worry about that on the work site, and that composite safety toe is going to keep it lightweight, yet keep it nice and protective. Got that extra thick and flexible midsole that's providing lots of shock absorption and protection and comfort. Speaking of comfort, that extra comfort footbed with the 4LR technology is going to give you additional shock absorption and underfoot cushioning. And on the bottom, we've got the lightweight Bantamweight flexible outsole that provides long-lasting traction. It's going to keep you on your feet and it's going to stay nice and durable. So stay comfy, safe, and dry out on the work site with this awesome boot from Ariat.